All right, I got another renovation project that's going on here. I don't remember why I didn't do a total before of this. Forgot, busy, I'm not sure. But this one is underway. In fact, this should be, I think we're passing our final building inspection to close everything up, and then it's off to the races with the finishes. So this property is in Chicago Heights. It is a ranch home with a full basement. I will turn around and show you what we're working with. Oh, but wait, actually first, I love these. That's like my favorite style door. I'm not a style guy, but I like those Craftsman style doors. They're cool. So in this property, there's already hardwood floors through most of it. What we did is put in new hardwood into the kitchen because that was something else previously. And then this is all going to be sanded and refinished and all be the same color. And obviously all new kitchen cabinets and appliances and everything will go in there too. Not much to see here. Typical bedrooms. All new windows though, if you notice. All brand new windows are in. This is all the concrete board that's going to go in the bathrooms. And this one we got some fun stuff here to look at that. So yeah, Gabby was here, but she's going to get painted over, sadly. And then over in this bedroom, there was, I don't know if they were using this as something else, but they had another door in next to the back door. So we moved the switch and we're turning that into a regular old wall. But I'm going to go through it, get down to the basement. So the basement of this one is where a lot of the work is coming into play. It was finished at one point, but then it was kind of gutted out. And the way that things were framed up was not right and not good. So reframed most of the basement, walls and ceilings. So this is all ready for drywall once we get the okay from the city. This bathroom right here was like half the width. It was so tiny. It was like that wide, and you could barely make it through. So they moved everything over, and busted up concrete, moved the toilet drain, and made it wide enough to make it a full bathroom with a tub and everything. The plumbing in this house was real jacked up, and this goes file under the things that you can't see about a home that cost a lot of money. Is they didn't have proper venting in. So we redid all these vents and draining. All these supply lines are all brand new down here. They had it was really messed up. So all this plumbing right here is all new because we had to move the bathroom over as well. That's just like a storage room over there. But this will all be drywalled. And then here's the utility room. This electric panel is new, just like the other one that we're doing. We got this one had a fuse box in it, so we upgraded the service, put a new panel in, and more new plumbing over there. And in this one, water heater's new, but the furnace was actually okay, so we were able to keep the furnace in this one. So again, this property is in Chicago Heights. This will be priced at $250 once we're done with it. It'll be done within 30 days from now. Our inspectors here are good to go. So let's see, I thought I saw a comment. No, it just says bring them on camera. I don't think you guys that are watching want to be on camera. So I'll wrap it up, but I'll do another walkthrough here once we have made some progress and put some of the finishing touches on it. See you soon.